Good evening. I'm Jerry, CEO of Innatrix from RTP, North Carolina. We are developing sustainable and safe solutions to replace agrichemicals. The agrochemical industry is huge, but it has a lot of challenges. I still remember when I was a little kid, wearing the backpack, spraying the chemicals on the plants. It worked, but I got a really bad headache, even just spraying 30 minutes. So it is really toxic. Because of a lot of health concerns, it's taking a lot of money, a lot of time to develop one chemical product. So right now is the time to use biological products to replace those chemicals because the farmers, the consumers want them. They are growing really fast, 10 to 20% each year. And it's only taking 3 to 4 years, $4 million to get one product to the market. Our company, Innatrix, has built a platform to generate eco-friendly solutions for crop protection, mainly for the pathogen control, pest control, and weed control. Currently, we are using peptide and RNA strategies to generate our biological products for pathogen control. These products are being used in the field either as a spraying product or seed treatment. Our products have a lot of advantages because they are eco-friendly, provide long-term control, and also 50 times cheaper, 3 times faster than the chemicals to the market. Our first product is for soybean cyst nematode control. This is a very, very small bug attacking soybean roots and the ground. But this is #1 disease for soybean. The market is really big. Our obtainable market is over $1.3 billion. We have already confirmed our products could provide 80% reduction for this nematode. This is better than most of the products on the market. We have already started our field trial in North Carolina. We are so excited to see how our product could control this nematode in the real field. How could we deliver our products to the farmers? We will license our product to ag-bio companies. Those companies will work with ag-retailers to deliver the products to the farmers. The IP is super important for startups. So we are not only protecting the products, also the use, the manufacture, the whole process. Until today, we have already got 2 issued US patents. Our product will go through EPA regulation process. Typically, it's taking around 18 months to get the product approval. How could we do all of this? We have a really strong star team. Collectively, our team have over 100 years experience for the product development and the commercialization. Especially Dr. Pam Maron sitting in the audience here. She has founded 3 biological companies. She brought all of them to successful exit. So with her on board, we are very confident we could produce our products and bring the product to the market. Our team already got 4 different partners to help our product development, also the business development. Until today, we have raised $1.5 million, including some non-diluted funds, also $1 million capital funds. Yeah, that's Innatrix. We are developing sustainable and safe solutions to control some critical disease. Later will be insect, also weed. So if you are interested in what we are doing, we are more than happy to talk with you afterwards. Thank you very much.